Are you looking for the best Chinese drone under $500? In this video, we will look at some of the best Chinese drone under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. KY001 Pro Professional GPS Drone. The KY001 Pro Professional GPS Drone with 8K dual camera, 3-axis gimbal laser obstacle avoidance RC quadcopter toy brings a feeling that touches anyone who loves capturing moments from a new point of view. People look at the sky and dream of seeing the world from above, and this drone turns that quiet dream into something real. Every flight feels like a calm escape, giving you a chance to record memories that feel alive long after the moment has passed. Many individuals search for a tool that makes their creative ideas feel effortless, and this drone supports that desire with steady movement and clear visuals. It gives a sense of confidence, especially for someone who wants to create content that stands out on social media or build personal projects that demand smooth air footage. The strong stability helps each scene feel natural, allowing customers to experience joy in every shot without worrying about unwanted shake. Families, travelers, and hobby creators love how easily it becomes part of their journey. When people hold it for the first time, they feel a connection, like they are about to start something exciting. Its advanced guidance system helps new users feel comfortable, while experienced flyers enjoy the freedom it offers during long sessions outdoors. The KY001 Pro Professional GPS Drone with 8K dual camera, 3-axis gimbal laser obstacle avoidance RC quadcopter toy becomes more than a flying device. It turns simple moments into treasured stories and gives every user a sense of pride when they watch their own beautiful aerial footage. This feeling stays with them, encouraging them to fly again and again. Number 2. GPS Drone 8K HD EIS Camera. The GPS Drone 8K HD EIS Camera, 3-axis gimbal 5G Wi-Fi FPV brushless screen, remote control 6-kilometer obstacle avoidance quadcopter inspires a feeling that stays with anyone who dreams of capturing scenes from a higher point. People often want a device that lets them see familiar places with a fresh sense of wonder, and this drone brings that desire closer with every smooth flight. It gives a calm satisfaction when the drone rises into the air, almost like stepping into a quiet world where creativity feels natural and effortless. Many buyers look for something that helps their stories feel more meaningful, and this drone encourages that emotional connection. Its balanced movement helps users record moments that look alive, making each journey feel more special. Someone who loves travel, family outings, or outdoor adventure will find themselves wanting to explore more, simply because the drone turns ordinary surroundings into beautiful memories. Content creators enjoy the steady visuals, which help their projects gain attention online. Even new users feel relaxed because the guidance system supports them through every movement. The long control range allows people to enjoy freedom during their flights without losing trust in their device. This sense of reassurance makes every session more enjoyable, especially for those who want to build confidence while learning. The brushless system brings a smooth and quiet experience, making the drone feel like a natural companion during outdoor activities. The GPS Drone 8K HD EIS Camera, 3-axis gimbal 5G Wi-Fi FPV brushless screen, remote control 6-kilometer obstacle avoidance quadcopter becomes more than a flying tool. It becomes a way to collect memories, express imagination, and hold moments that would normally fade too quickly. Number 3. AE86 8K Professional Drone. The AE86 Drone 8K Professional 3-axis gimbal 5G digital image transmission obstacle avoidance brushless GPS quadcopter FPV RC drone creates a feeling that sparks curiosity the moment someone sees it rise into the air. Many people dream of capturing scenes that feel larger than life, and this drone turns that quiet wish into an experience filled with excitement and emotion. Each flight brings a gentle sense of escape, allowing users to view their surroundings in a new, inspiring way. People who love creating visual stories often search for something that brings depth to their work, and this drone supports that desire with steady movement and smooth clarity. It gives a sense of pride when the recorded moments look vivid, making every captured scene feel meaningful. Whether someone is exploring nature, enjoying time with loved ones, or building creative projects, it helps them hold on to memories that feel timeless. Travelers appreciate how confidently it moves through open spaces, giving them freedom to explore without hesitation. The The guidance system offers comfort for beginners, while experienced flyers enjoy the steady performance during long outdoor sessions. This balance makes the drone feel approachable, even for those who have never flown one before. The brushless system adds a calm and stable feeling to every journey, helping users enjoy quiet operation while capturing beautiful angles from above. The AE-86 Drone 8K Professional 3-Axis Gimbal 5G Digital Image Transmission Obstacle Avoidance Brushless GPS Quadcopter FPV RC drone becomes more than a flying device. It becomes a companion that turns simple views into emotional stories, encouraging users to keep discovering new places and new memories every time they take it into the sky.